I'm Realtor Diane Stracham. Skiing doesn't get any better than here at Elk Mountain. Surrounded by the breathtaking endless mountains, generations of skiers have created fantastic winter memories on Elk's 27 trails. If you have ever dreamt of having a place like this in your own backyard, well, I can make those dreams come true. Yes, this luxurious log cabin is just minutes away from some of northeastern Pennsylvania's best skiing. And you don't have to like skiing to fall in love with this charming log cabin home. The peace and tranquility of this property is obvious, as it is surrounded by incredible mountain views that you can enjoy all year round. This home is perfectly situated on an over 6-acre parcel of open space and natural woodlands. The exterior of this home is gorgeous, but you have to take a look at the interior. An open floor plan highlights this cozy cabin with lodge-like appeal. It features nearly 2,400 square feet of living space on 2 levels. Let's start in this expansive living room with vaulted ceilings, exposed log beams, and walls of custom windows. This is a space that will be hard to leave as the warm rays of sunshine fill this room and gracefully bounce off the well-constructed knotty pine walls. The wood-burning stove is ready to take the chill away on those colder days, but this room is made to be warm and inviting no matter the season. The alluring rustic feel continues into this large modern kitchen. Log beam ceiling, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and the Pergo floor complement this impeccable, well-planned kitchen. And don't forget about the recipe desk. Wow, that's cool. Right next to the kitchen is a dining room. What a great place to enjoy conversation and a great meal. The sliding glass door leads to the deck and wraps around to the side and back of the home, offering an outstanding location to enjoy your property or perhaps entertain guests. The master bedroom is conveniently located on the main level. Enjoying the views is easy here as it has its own slider to the rear deck. Lots of closet space and master bath with a tile flooring, double sink, shower complete this soothing master suite. A half bath with a pedestal sink and a tile floor are also included on the main level. A wooden staircase to the second floor shows off the fine craftsmanship of this dream log home. The second floor loft offers awesome views and a great space perhaps for a den or a study. 2 huge bedrooms off the loft offer angled ceilings and great views of this mountain heaven. A full bath with tile floor services the bedrooms. An additional 1,300 square feet of potential living space is partially finished in the lower level. 2 sets of French doors walk out to the covered patio. Lots of potential here. This property is located just a little over 2 hours from Philadelphia. If you like to ski, there is not a better place to be. Mountain living is great all year round, even if you don't like skiing. Hiking, fishing, boating, it's all here. The clean and crisp, endless mountain air and this captivating country log home right in the middle of all this beauty is waiting for you. If you would like a personal tour, give me a call today.